Here are honorable judges and my all bestmates. At first, take my salam. Assalamu alaikum. Today, I'm gonna share with you about different something. It's called work smart, not hard. So, what is the importance of smart work? How I do smart work and what is the benefit of smart work. Smart work means do shortly better than other, do easily, how can improve yourself. Firstly, I would like to share one story like one Rishka puller. He has been driving Rishka for 20 years, but he doesn't approve his ability. But beside another one boy story, he lives in India. He is 26-year-old, but he is right now billionaire. How can possible? Because this boy follow smart work, but this Rishka puller follow hard work. That's why this Rishka puller they doesn't improve himself. Others beside this boy improve himself better than him. And also we should follow smart work and we remove our hard work. Hard work is not possible like gain our success and follow our instruction. That's something